Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with another video. We want to say thank you for joining us. If you're a brand new subscriber, we certainly appreciate you coming in and being a part of this amazing art journey with us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As you know, we like to get started right away. So we are going to be talking about what we're doing today. We have a previously used canvas that I have covered with the Blickrylic titanium white. We're going to do a Dutch pour on this 12 by 24 inch canvas, and we're going to be using some Easter-like colors in recognition of Easter, which is coming up real soon. We have several colors that we're going to be using, and just kind of excited about seeing what might happen. Just want to remind you though, if you're interested in getting more information about how to improve your Dutch pour or how to work on your paint consistency, check out videos number 28 and 52. As well as all of our other videos, you'll find some amazing information, and hopefully it'll be helpful to you in getting where you would like to go. Okay, so we have laid out our Blickrylic titanium white, which is in our squeeze bottle here. We may use that again. But we're going to go ahead and introduce all of the amazing colors that we're using for this particular painting. We have joining us today the Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet with Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta, Liquitex Basics Turquoise, Liquitex Basics Light Blue Permanent. We also have golden iridescent fine pearl, along with the Artist Loft light magenta, the Liquitex Basics light blue violet, and Liquitex Basics cobalt blue hue, Arteza's pearl lime green, and Artist Loft deep yellow. All these colors are nice, bright, or Easter-like colors, and we're going to try to use them to give us a nice, beautiful Dutch pour. We're going to begin with our design, and we're going to just try to do something kind of simple. We'll start over here, and we'll come here, and let's get it here. Let's try to take, we'll go there, and here, and over here. How's that? That's the permanent blue violet. Just bring this out a bit. Magenta. All of our colors are listed in the description box below. If you miss anything, you can come back and refer to each of the colors and the brand that's used. Each of the paints are mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Water is added to get to the desired consistency. Here we have our golden iridescent, which should be pretty interesting to see what this does. It's a nice pearl iridescent. Should give us a nice, beautiful shimmer and shine, maybe lacing, along with the light magenta. Oops. Awesome colors so far. Then we're putting in our blue violet. Okay, really pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm excited now because it's starting to look really, really interesting. Our cobalt blue. It's been a while since I've used this one. And then we have pearl lime green. see if we get that open. All right. Pearl lime green, let's come on open. All right. Okay. And finally, we have our deep yellow. Nice Easter-like blend of colors. Really, really vibrant. I am going to use, we have a lot of color, but I'm going to wrap back around with my permanent blue violet, which is the first color we started with. We are going to torch our air bubbles. We're also always looking for any uninvited guests, any highs and low areas that we might need to check out. In this case, we are going to add a little bit of base color to assist in the flow. Since we have so many colors here, we want movement to not be inhibited, but to flow freely. Not too much, but just extra to get the paint going. Okay. Really pretty color palette so far. It's going to be interesting to see what we end up with. All right. We're looking pretty good. We'll torch once again. Okay, we are going to begin with our blowout. And let's see if we can start. Let's try to come this way and we'll see what happens here. We'll start on low. So pretty. Oh my goodness, it's pretty. Loving these amazing colors. They've really come together on this white nicely. We have a little overflow on this side as well as on the other side there. I'm trying to wipe that off right now. We'll decide if we need to have it wiped off on both sides. I think so, because at this point I don't have any coming off the edges in this area here. But oh my goodness, every color that has been put down can be visibly seen, to include this iridescent fine pearl. It's really highlighted here, so pretty. And we're gonna just bring you in for a close-up so you can see just how beautiful this particular design and color palette has really come together nicely. So here we go. Hold on tight. Close-up. Okay, everybody, here we have it. Look at what we have by way of these beautiful Easter colors that we put together for this color palette. You can see all of our beautiful shimmer and shine all throughout. There's a few cells that were made by their Arteza pearl line. So pretty. Look at that light magenta. Gorgeous. What beautiful colors. I'm thrilled with the yellow, and here's next to the yellow, the golden pearl. It is shining like crazy right there. So beautiful. Look at that, just awesome. Right on top of the blue, I think that's part of the cobalt blue and the turquoise blue combined. Look at the nice richness of the yellow and the permanent blue violet. Here's some more cells here. Lovely, lovely blue. Look at the outline of that magenta at the end there. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Just beautiful colors. Just in time for Easter. So pretty. Okay, and all the way up here to the very top, you can see we've got nice, beautiful shimmer and shine there too, along with some lacing. More of that pearl right here. Beautiful, right on top of the white. And this is calling for some resin. It's calling for a beautiful coat of resin, and when it receives it, it's just going to be even more spectacular. Loving it. Let's see if we can get that blue in there. Oh yeah, so rich and gorgeous. Love, love, love this color combination. Here we have it, our 12 by 24 inch canvas Dutch pour with Easter-like colors, all speaking out loud and clear for themselves. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really appreciate your feedback. So much appreciate your being here each and every time. So keep informed and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because you want to know each and every time we have another video upload, and we want you here as well. So don't miss it. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me, and as always, keep loving your art. We'll see you again. Bye.